What's up, dudes? I got a little waiting to do, so let's get into another top 5. Let's talk about top 5 things that I like about this truck. Number 5, it's a truck. That's great. Pulls a trailer, pulls my cars around, parts, spare tires. You can't go wrong with a truck. Being a car guy, you almost need a truck. I mean, I remember times when I didn't have a truck per se. I didn't have anything to drive around, to lug stuff around. Kind of like right now, this is actually my dad's truck. We share it. I do the maintenance on it and stuff. But yeah, having a truck is definitely an important thing, especially one big enough to pull a car trailer. It's wide enough. I used to pull a trailer around with a little small size Chevy pickup. Wasn't the greatest, so this, beautiful. Number 4, interior on this thing. It's nothing too special. Hard to see. Lights are on in there, but anyway, there's really nothing special about the interior, but it is a full size. So even, I got something in my eye. Even though it's not a crew cab or stuff like that, it's still very practical. There's enough room inside the truck that you can bring yourself, a friend, your dog, a cooler full of drinks. Not alcohol, but a cooler full of, like, you know, water, Pepsi, and it's got 2 cup holders for 2 extra large coffees, plus extra cup holders in the door, which is absolutely amazing for me and my coffee addiction. So the number 4 thing I like about it is the interior. It's cool, it's good. Number 3, it's kind of a pro and a con at the same time, but this truck right here, it's got a 4.3 V6 in it. Now, the thing I like about that is when you're not hauling a trailer or parts or a bunch of heavy stuff, this little truck here, it's not too bad on gas. So you can get to where you're going, you can go far. So I would say the number 3 thing is the ease of use, practicality, the economic value. I don't know. It's just cheap to run. Number 2, well, it's a Chevy. And if you guys know me real well, you know that I was brought up around Chevys. My family raised me to believe that it's all about Chevy. Never owned a Ford, never owned a Dodge. I've driven them, had friends and stuff that driven them, but in my family, it's all, right in the hitch. Point is, I like Chevys. The number 1 thing that I absolutely love about this truck is the way it looks. It's black, it's got a tonneau cover, it's a short box, single cab. It's got 20-inch wheels and it's on the ground. Sits low. Let's have a look. Let's just look at this truck. Look at that. Now I know in here it's kind of hard to see it because we're real close to it and you don't get a really good view of the entire truck. I'll see what I can get you here, but, like, you know, that's a pretty rad looking truck, right? The thing I like most about it is the way it looks. When I take this thing out hauling around cars and stuff like that, we always get the thumbs up, we always get the, you know, people love this truck for the way it looks. And I love it too. So that's the top 5 things that I like about this truck. The rig, the hauler, what I've been using to haul around my drift car this year, Jamie's car, helping my friends out with their cars. This truck never let me down. I like it a lot. So that's the top 5 things I like about this truck. See you soon.